Right, happy Move Cube morning. It's 8:30. Our Move Cube is due at between 9:30 and 10:30.
And it's tipping down with rain.
Yeah, so if you have a little look round, yeah, it's not just drizzle, it's quite a heavy downpour.
And the irony is that when we loaded our Move Cube 3 months ago in the UK, where it rains all the time,
it was sunny
and dry
and pretty warm. So yeah, I think they must have brought this over as well by the looks of it. I don't know, just got a mosquito on the camera.
It's been like this for a few days now, and I was thinking this morning, if you come here on a holiday for like a week or two, you'd be really disappointed because you're not doing any sunbathing this week.
No, so yeah, as you can hear that. Yeah, looking forward to this. We've got 45 minutes. Trying to get it all off the van, into the house somewhere. I'm going to put it under the cover. Whatever's quickest. So yeah,
Wish us luck.
Enjoy the footage. Unbox. Right, that's all off. That's 14 minutes to do all that. Some bites and our stuff. So there we go. Excuse the out of breathness, that was hard work.
It's weird seeing all our stuff there.
Yeah, that's all our stuff. It's like we had an empty house, now it's full of our stuff again. There we go, more boxes. Don't get too wet, do we?
No.
Luckily, we've got undercover. But yeah, that's it, guys. Easy as that. Well, I say easy as that, it's still got to lug all these boxes in. Oh, finally got some clothes. So, not like I need jumpers and stuff, but there we go. 7Cs.
We recommend.
Yeah, we give them a thumbs up. They were pretty good, aren't they?
Yeah.
And they got here, yeah, pretty much 9:30, I think.
Definitely use them again.
Obviously, the weather, we didn't book the weather, did we? But yeah, so there we go. We'll catch up with you when we got it all inside. Well, it's all in here, so we're just saying we've paid what, probably £1,500?
Something like that. For a few boxes. It doesn't really look like a lot, but I'm sure it's got our most important things in the boxes.
Up here will be a video of us packing the Move Cube, telling you about the Move Cube, And this is 3 months later. Unpacking the move cube, and it's just like Christmas.
Yeah, and we finally got like pictures and canvases and things, and they're all intact. They're not broken or scratched or anything.
And we did have a flashing light when he opened the box. He's like, "What's flashing in there?" And obviously, my bike light had been on. I don't know if it had been on the whole 3 months. I don't know. I don't know if he even opened our box. I don't know. There was nothing.
Yeah, the man couldn't tell me whether they had or not. He said they most likely had, but it didn't look like they
He
had.
probably took one look and went, "No, ain't taking that out." But yeah, it's all here. Now we've just got the dubious task of unboxing it. Obviously, I keep some things in the box we're not really going to use,
Yeah,
namely jumpers.
exactly. Stuff we don't need, we'll just keep in the box. But the girls are excited to have more clothes.
Yeah, and you've now got a pile of things to sell. So
Yeah.
like you just said, paid all that money to ship it over to try and sell it, which
Apparently they don't want it anymore. I'm not sure why it went in the box, but there you go.
yeah. So yeah, here we are. It's all our stuff. Well, not all of our stuff, but a good majority of it. My golf bag. It's got a few.
Oh, got a little bit scuffed.
A lot of scuffs on it, so I took the time to actually clean that. I think that was even.
At least they're all protected inside as well.
They don't look like they're broken. So yeah, when the weather's nice, guess what I'll be doing?
Happy golfing.
Or getting heat stroke. So yeah, alright guys, this is only going to be a short video I expect because not really
We've got
much.
lots to do now.
Yeah, it's kind of, you didn't really watch us unboxing it, it's not really an unboxing video. You've seen it arrive, see how long it took us, like 14 minutes. We were saying it took us half an hour to load it up.
Yeah, and I said I bet the guys from Seven Seas prefer to offload than upload because it's a bit more faff and
It's a bit more of a puzzle trying
yeah.
to get it all to fit, but bikes are here and they survived, which is good. So yeah, there we are guys.
2 hours later.
Right, it's been a few hours now. Unpacked some stuff.
You did.
I did.
I didn't.
So the most important thing was over there. So that's sorted. So that's me ready for the evenings. So yeah, Seven Seas. What do we think?
Yeah, it was really good. The guys that came in the UK, they were friendly, helpful. One of them did talk way too much.
Yeah.
But they were very friendly and helpful and knew what they were doing, helped us with boxes.
Well, so you've got to have a site visit before they come out to you, before they like deliver your move cube. I think obviously another video. But over here we had one booked for like the 27th of December. Literally had an email probably the same day, and they said, "Oh, we've done your site visit." It's like no one's come out, but I think they used Google Maps or something just to check that you don't live somewhere hard to get to.
Yeah.
So that was quite easy.
He reversed up the drive today and it was tipping down with rain, so he got as close to our front door as he could.
Yeah.
He basically lifted everything off of the van for us and handed
I had
it
the
to
cube
us.
in pretty much, and then like left it
Yeah.
for us to pick up, which was good. Saved us getting in and out.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I think it's been pretty good service, really, to be fair.
Yeah, he was also friendly, on time. Like, it literally all went to plan. It doesn't look like customs checked our box at all, we don't think. Apparently they checked 1 and 2.
Yeah.
So that helped getting it to us even quicker.
Well, none of the boxes have been opened. Like, we obviously put like an inventory on top of each box. And that wasn't cut open unless they're really good at, taking it off and resealing again. But yeah.
So yeah, we do have lots of stuff left in the UK which we still need to ship over. We think we'll definitely need a large cube to get the rest of the stuff over. But yeah, I was definitely impressed. They were probably more expensive than anyone else, but
A lot easier to use, isn't it? It's all
Yeah.
pretty much, you fill in all the documents online, put your visa stuff in, your address, like obviously, probably didn't know where we were going to live, so we just gave them your work address to start with, then you email them and update that, so pretty handy. Handy to speak to on the phone.
Yeah. Everything went to plan. It was really good. So we don't have anything bad to say and can only recommend them. So.
We got a few scuffs on things, but obviously it's going to happen. It's being wedged in a box. It's done 11,000 miles on the sea.
Yeah.
But yeah, there's nothing damaged, touch wood. So yeah, we'll put a link in the description below.
Yeah, there's also a discount code. I can't remember what it is off the top of my head, but if you really want it, message in the comments and we'll find it for you because we've got it somewhere and it's still valid. Was it 10%
Like
off?
10%, yeah. So obviously, I think the cube we went for at the time of booking was like £600, maybe, for a medium. And then you've got another fee to pay over here once your box is cleared, customs and everything. That was about $1,000 odd. But obviously that'll depend what size move cube you get.
Yeah, and it was £200 initial deposit.
Yeah. So yeah, they get a thumbs up from us, and we would recommend them. So yeah, there are guys. If you enjoyed the video,
Like and subscribe and look out for the next video.
see you next one.